walk, try wearing it. Siddharth, can you wear that? No? Can you fit your feet in that shoe? No? Can anybody fit your feet in the other shoes? Very few people, right?
Stood, feeling like that. Well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, can live or let die. I gotta rest, I don't know I could. Nothing to reach, and I don't feel like I should. Feeling like that. Well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, can live or let die. I gotta lay down, think I've done enough for today. Did what I had to do and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Chip thrills, chip tricks. Woo! It seems like the way to live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should tick tock? I gotta rest, I'm feeling so good. In me I know it, but I'm misunderstood. A feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die. I gotta rest, cause I've done all I could.
I have a few things to be more adventurous creative.
See, I got as 48%. Yes, I'm not organized. Not that self-disciplined too. So yes, 48%. Extroversion, again 48. I'm not that extrovert. I don't mingle that easily. Yes. I got 58%. Yes, I get convinced easily, but later again, maybe this is wrong. Yeah, more than 50. But later I do regret why did I get so easily convinced. So, but yeah, more than 58, I think. And for N, it is 60. Sometimes emotions can't be controlled. So yeah, 60 is fine.
Street team building, right? Actually, when you organize an activity where you have to be a part of the team and what each person can bring into that particular team's performance, how they can contribute, how you can lead the team, how you can be a part of the team, and what are the issues that crop up.
Said I should be a big shot. Said I